Errors in measurement. Dear students, when we measure any physical quantity, the result may not be accurate and precise. The uncertainty of measurement from the true value is called as error. In this video, we will discuss about types of error. First, we will see systematic errors. Imagine what will happen if we use a stretched cloth tape for measuring the length. It will always give a slightly lower reading than the true value. Such type of errors which have definite cause, poor accuracy and repetitive nature are called systematic errors. Sources of systematic errors. Instrumental error. The errors raised due to imperfect design, error in calibration, or zero error in instrument are instrumental errors. Error due to imperfection. In any measurement, the imperfection in experimental technique or procedure can lead to error. For example, there could be error in reading of the fluid level because the level of fluid is slightly raised at the edge with respect to center. Personal errors. In any measurement, errors may raise because of lack of proper settings or individuals' wrong readings. For example, if the individual is taking reading of ammeter from side, then due to parallax, the reading will be erroneous. Now we will see what are random errors. In contrast to systematic errors, the random errors are those errors which are raised because of unpredictable fluctuations in experimental conditions. For example, the errors in thermometer reading due to fluctuations in temperature are random in nature. There are different fluctuations in the experimental conditions such as fluctuation in temperature, voltage supply, or mechanical vibrations of experimental setup. Third is the least count error. The smallest value that can be measured by the measuring instrument is called the least count of that instrument. It can be calculated as least count equals to value measured in n divisions upon n. Take the example, the ruler has 10 divisions in 1 centimeter length. Then, the least count of ruler will be 1 upon 10 centimeter, which is equals to 0.1 centimeter. When we are measuring the length of a wire, which has one end at 0 mark and another end between 7.1 and 7.2, we cannot tell that exact value because the ruler can't measure smaller than 0.1 centimeter. Thus, least count error is the error raised due to resolution of the instrument. It belongs to category of systematic errors as well as random errors. You will learn absolute error, relative error and percentage error in the next video.